Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on September 18, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. First grade, we get 216. So 216 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Second grade, second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Second grade and fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 3. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column J, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column J and 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. 7th row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, there is only one number remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Column D, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th grade, column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. 8th row, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 10th row and 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then second row and second grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 5. 10th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then column H and 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B and 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 8. 5th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8 and 9 will confirm later. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th grid, 8th row, 2 numbers are running, 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come, this cell 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come, this line is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come, this 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grid, column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. 7th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come, this cell 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.